Hey y'all, it's Kitty. I am lower down today because my cat stole my chair. So I am sitting currently on an exercise ball. So I'm lower down and I'm probably gonna be moving around more. Sorry for... You know what? No, I'm not gonna apologize for my hair. I'm not sorry for all my flyaways. So today I'm going to do another Z palette bingo because I'm out of ideas right now, and I think you guys should give me some ideas, things that you want to see. You've seen my Z palettes, which are most of my palettes, and I want to know what you guys think. What do you guys want to see from me? Are there any skills that you want to see me attempt? Are there any looks, any color schemes that you really want to see me do? I really work hard to make things accessible so that people with a lower skill level or beginners can follow along with what I'm doing, people with a smaller collection. So let me know what colors you have that you want to see me work with. And you can always send me pictures on Twitter or Instagram. I'm going to have that right here, I believe. It's _PlusKitty_, both Twitter and Instagram. And you can send me pictures of your palettes so I can try and create something out of colors that you have. So yeah, why don't we just get started? So if you saw my last Z palette bingo, you would know I have 3 Z palettes. They're organized by color scheme. I'm not going to go through what the color schemes are until we select them. So the palettes are labeled from smallest to largest, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to select 4 to 5 colors depending on what colors I get. And I'm going to generate 2 numbers for each color. The first one is going to be which palette, the second one is going to be which color in the palette. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So the first palette I got is palette 2, and I have 12 colors in palette 2. 11. So we're working with this shimmery white shade. This is Beamin from the Too Faced Life's A Festival palette. It's like a white gold. The second palette is palette number 1, and I got color number 10. This is Young and Free from the Too Faced Life's A Festival palette. 2 again. 8. This is Sunset Dream from the Too Faced Life's A Festival palette. Clearly we have a theme going on here. 2 again. 9. This is Euphoric from the Too Faced Life's A Festival palette. It's coming across lighter and pinker, but it's like a light orange. And I'm going to pick 5 colors this time because this is what our palette looks like right now, and it's nothing super unique. So I don't think we're going to get anything else super unique because I got palette 2 again, and palette 2 is my reds, oranges, and yellows. So I got 3. So number 3 is Bratty from Colourpop. This is a bright orange. So this is the color palette we're working with. I think my lighting is washing it out a little bit. So let's get started and see what we can do. So I have primed and set my eyelids. I set my eyelids with this lightest shade in the E.L.F. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze palette. I'm going to start by putting Bratty from Colourpop into my crease. So I put the orange in the crease, and I'm going to put the pink underneath the orange and see where that takes me. Next, I'm going to take my AOA Studios E122 brush, this is a small flat brush, and go into this orange shimmery shade and put that in the outer corner of the mobile lid. Now I'm going to use my color switch to clean my brush and go into the lighter pinky orange shade with the same E122 brush and pack that all over the center of the mobile lid. That is giving me a little bit more shimmer. And now I'm going in once again with a cleaned off E122 brush, and I'm going into that white gold here that we got, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner all the way to meet the last shade we put on the center of the lid. This is how the look came out with no mascara, just the colors that we got. Now I'm going to put on mascara and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, I finished my makeup and then I just walked away. I forgot to finish filming the video. So I'm back in my chair because my cat gave it up. And this is the final look. I really like how it came out. I'm super happy with it. And I'm wearing my E.L.F. matte lip color, which is totally not matte, in rich red on my lips. My blush and highlight are in my Project Pans. The blush I'm wearing is the City Color Be Matte blush in Blackberry. The highlighter I'm wearing is Becca Opal. The mascara I'm wearing is Essence Get Big Lashes. Thank you so much for watching. I had a great time filming this. I realized it's dark out now. I'm not going anywhere tonight. I just really wanted to film some videos because I haven't been filming and I need to start moving. I'm about to film 2 more Project Pans that are going out later this month. I am filming them early, but I have time to film them now. I want to film them now, so I'm going to film them now in this look. I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others. I started talking really fast there, and I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!